Alright, finally my toy showed up. I took a picture of this box the way it was. That's how I got it from FedEx. But I just wanted to make sure that it worked. So I'll make a short video here. You gotta bear with me. I suck at making videos and all that. Let me see here. I'm trying to open it up. They tape it good, so this is definitely a good tape job. Oh, out here, trying to get it out of the stupid box. Alright. This is my $450 toy that I thought I needed. Oh, I might actually keep it in this box. That's pretty nice. It says open here. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, it ain't damaged or anything. Let's see, I want to try it out. Let's see here. Alright, so, according to what they said, there should be ends in here. That's alright. At least it's bolt buster like it's supposed to be. It ain't no stupid off-brand. Hold on here. I can't get this thing open here. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, they gave me a bunch of stuff. Tips. No tax on tips. Let's see if I can get one to fit around this. That won't fit. Let's see here. I guess they go by sizes. Maybe there's one better than that. I don't know. Oh, those are ones you can wrap around. This one here. Hold on. This one here is made so you can wrap it around anything you want to. And then you stick it back in the gun. So I guess there's 3 extra ones. Oh, this is the one that you wrap around. You can wrap it any old way around nuts, bolts, or anything. So I guess that's pretty cool. That one's way too big. That one's way too big. I guess it's like the Berenstain Bears, man. This one's just right. Alright, let's see here. Alright, what do we do? Apparently we stick it in this little hole. Oh wait. Gotta undo these. Enough to stick it in there. Okay, I don't know how much I need to do. Hold on, let me see. Maybe I can. Oh, I can see it now. I don't know how far it needs to go. Oh, it goes all the way in. Okay. It's just like that. Alright. Got one. So snug these babies down. It don't look like there's much in there. $450, but I want to make sure it works before I stick her away. Alright. That way if it don't work, I can tell FedEx to stick it up their butt. And this is a 50. This is a big extension cord. It's made for big stuff. So, is there an on switch or? Every use tighten. This coils will damage torn. No, it's on. So, there's no on button, so I'm guessing all you do is just hold this little button here. Put that over there, press a little button, wait till she turns red hot. Hold on. It says you can do it for up to a minute. And you should stop. So I'll wait here. It's 3 minutes 54, 55. Alright, it's 4 minutes. Let's see what this baby does within a minute. Notice how I got it right next to a gas can. She definitely gets hot. It's smoking as soon as I turned it on. Says to keep it next to it. It's a pretty big bolt too. I can smell all the rubber burning. It's 40 seconds. I can't tell if it's getting super red hot or not. I know the second I turned it on it was. Well, that's been a minute. Oh. Yeah, that thing's way hot. I don't know if it's red hot, but it's kind of got a little glow. It's a big boat, but she works. I'll let it cool down a little bit, and I'll just try and heat this thing up. Just the tip. Is that how that goes? Just the tip? Maybe you can find something smaller to heat up, like a bolt. See what we got going on here. See a normal size bolt here. I can try to heat that up. See if we can get this red hot. See where it's kind of dark here. Alright, see. I don't know if these things will turn red hot or not. Oh, it definitely changes colors. That's for dang sure. It's starting to turn red. Oh, the whole thing's turning colors. Yeah. I don't know if that's red or it's just changing colors, but yeah, she's hot. I don't know. Well, that's what it is. I guess you'd have to find something in the dark to play around. Maybe I'll come out at night and try it out. Alright, bye.